you'll need to take off your battery terminal, get the power off. You're gonna use a 10 millimeter to take that off. All right, you're gonna come over here. You're gonna have a 12 millimeter right here, 12 millimeter right here to loosen the alternator. You're gonna have a 14 millimeter bolt down here to take the bottom bracket off. Right here you have the belt, right? You're gonna have a 10 millimeter right here to get off the ground, and then you make sure you get the plug out, right? And that's how you're gonna get the alternator out. All right, so we got the 12 right there that attached to right here to the slider, right? Already marked it. So it's time to get the 14 out. And now it's time to get your belt out. Let's go. Time to get it out. All right, so you could flip the bracket up once you loosen that 12 right there. All right, got the belt off. So there goes the beauty. We're almost there. All right, we got the 14 out at the bottom bracket, so we could just shimmy it right here and it will come out. It will slowly come out once everything is loose. So you always double check if it's gonna hit anything. All right. All right, sneak it right out from the side right here. You might need to adjust the lines. See if you could get it out. Let's see if we could get it out with one hand. Let's see how good we are with one hand. Let's almost there. All right, so let's see if let's get this bracket off the way. All right, here we go. We got it out right there. All right, so here we got the old one out, right? Out with the old, out with the old. All right, so the pulley, you do spin. All right, look all right. This one was not charging properly, so I had to change the battery twice. So we end up ordering this new one, right? So new one came in yesterday. So we're going to line the new one up with the old one and see if everything is identical, right? Here we go. Bracket over there to the side. Similar. Got the power supply and we have the ground right here. The pulley turns. All right. Look like we're good to go. This one is a little bit more free. Not that much tension to it. All right, cool. All right. Let's see how it works once we get it back in and put our belt on and everything, right? All right, so freely, not so bad. All right, so we got to check it, right? We have to check and see, because sometimes you'll find they send you the wrong part. So, all right, so we got the belt out. As you can see, you'll find your water pump right here. Well, thermostat. Thermostat's gonna be right here. Behind the thermostat, you're gonna have your water pump right here, right? So we got the belt. Belt that go around the AC, water pump, main pulley down here, then come back around up here to go around the alternator. Man, the phone died on us, so we end up getting the alternator back in. So this is the old one, right? So you're going to have the old alternator, right? You're gonna have it like this. You're gonna slide this bracket right here will be able to flip up if you loosen this 12 right here. Slide it right in, right, like that. The 14 is gonna go through here at the bottom, all right? And you have the 10 up here. Sorry, you got the 12 right here, 12 millimeter. You have this one here to adjust it, as you can see, right? Now the belt. The belt, we gotta remember the way the belt came off, as you can see down there, right? The belt come from over the alternator down to the water pump, down here to the AC compressor, over to the main, and come back over to the alternator, right? So you're just gonna have it hang. Now with this 14 millimeter down here, you're not going to tighten it fully. You're gonna have it a little bit loose, right? And you're gonna have this bracket in just snug enough, because you want this to slide once you start to tighten the 12, right? So once you get all that bolt up, once you get it bolt up to the point that it's able to get the belt over it, then you're gonna put the 12 on, and then you're gonna start to use this to adjust the belt to see how tight it's gonna get, right? From there, tighten the 10, put back on the power, right? Now don't forget to tighten your 14 millimeter, right? Connect back your battery supply, double check everything, and you're good to go. And that's how I changed my alternator belt, and we're ready to go.